Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw sales proceeds from Kickstarter to your US bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw sales proceeds from Kickstarter to your US bank, start by logging into your Kickstarter account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Once there, locate the Manage button next to your project. Click on Manage to access your project settings. In the project settings, find the Pledge section. Here, you will see your funding total. Make sure your funds have been processed completely. Once confirmed, go to the Settings tab located in the main menu. In the Settings, look for the Withdrawal section. Here, you will find options to link your bank account. Click on Add a bank account. Fill out the required details including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. After entering your bank account details, save your changes. Return to the main dashboard to initiate the withdrawal. You should see an option to withdraw your funds. Click on the Withdraw button to start the process. Specify the amount you wish to transfer to your bank. Review the transaction details carefully. Once all information is confirmed, submit the withdrawal request. Kickstarter will process your request, which may take a few business days. You will receive a notification once the funds are on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account to confirm the deposit. That's how you withdraw sales proceeds from Kickstarter to your US bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.